Welcome to this tutorial on the survey module in Stately. In this video, I will show you how to create a survey, customize it and share it with your customers and team members. Our first step is accessing the survey module. On the sidebar, click on the survey menu item. To open the survey screen, click on the create new survey button to start a new survey. Then here you can enter the survey title. This is required field. Add a description of your survey to provide context to the user. This field is optional. Upload a custom logo for the survey form or use the default business logo depending on your preference. I am going with the default logo. You can add multiple type of questions to your survey. Clicking the question type under add question in the sidebar to add it into your form. Okay, now enter your question in the question label field, which is a required field. So I will add question title. Okay, then you can make the question required using the required switch according to your requirement. So I am making this question required. Add a placeholder to for your answer field. Then set the character limit. By default it's 500. You can make it according to your requirement. And then you can also disable it using the enable character limit switch. I am enabling it and set its character to 200 characters. And then I will add the multiple choice question. I'm going to add multiple choice question. Enter the question title. I will add the question title. For this field I am making it optional by unchecking the required switch. Then I can add options using add option button. You can remove option by clicking the cross icon. So I will add options for this question. Here. Search and then the imply feedback. Then click on the checkbox question type to add checkbox question type in my survey form. And then enter the question title and add option the same way as multiple choice question. So I'm gonna add question title. Here like this, add question options. Here adding question type or option type, options values, and then we can click on rating scale button to add rating scale type question in my survey form. Then enter the question title. Okay, set the max star to determine how many stars will be displayed for user to rate. I am setting it to 5, so 5 star will be displayed on the survey form. Then we can add date type question, enter the question title, okay. This allows user to select date as a answer for this question. So after adding the field questions in the survey form, we can also hide the question temporarily from the survey form by clicking the hide switch, and then remove a question by clicking the delete icon on the question card. Like we can delete rating option, and this card is deleted from the survey form. Now we will click on setting icon to configure the survey behavior, but first we can link the survey to property, unit and unit if required. So we can select the property unit, then unit type, and then specific unit if required. So I am setting these values, then click on setting icon to configure this survey behavior. First we have enable user verification, require OTP verification for public user. You can choose whether the verification appear before or after form submission. So after that we can allow only one response per unit option. Restrict the user, we can restrict the user to a single survey submission by checking this option. Then we can also allow team member to fill the survey by checking the survey for team members. And then we have survey validation field, set expiry date of the survey. The survey will automatically close after this date. So I am setting it 31st March, and then we can adjust the styling of the survey form. We can adjust this survey width, for now it's 600, and then set the logo alignment, which will be in center, and then we can set the form questions alignment, which will be aligned left to right, and then we can set the background color, and then we can set the text color. Okay, now optionally we can upload a background image for the survey form. So now we preview and publish the form. So first we click on preview in the header to see how survey will be appear to user. Okay, so once finalized, change the survey status from draft to active and save the survey. Now you can share the survey link with customer via email or other communication by email by clicking the share button, and here you can share your survey with your customer by sending the email, or you can schedule it for later. So this is the complete journey of creating and configuring survey in Stately. With these steps, you can build professional survey, customize them to your business need, and collect responses effectively. Thank you very much.